Let's clap for them. Thank you.
So it's going to be a tough competition, but we have what it takes to become number one in this challenge. Yeah, Sharon Chepchumba is a force to reckon with in Kenya, Makiria strikers, and in our KCB team. So her coming back to KCB for this championship gives us strength and the spirit to fight more. And we are going to build a KCB volleyball team, volleyball playing around her name. So we are hopeful that she's going to give us what it takes to win this championship.
The team is very much ready. The preparations have been so good. We had ample time for training. Everything was in place, and I can say the team is very well prepared. The team is composed of experienced and upcoming players, which is a good thing for us. For the junior players who it's their first time to play in the African Club Championship, they're going to get experience. But it's a good thing because we had a tournament recently whereby they were given a chance to play, and from that they showed that they're equal to the task, and that's why the coaches believed in them and they've been put in the team to travel. So I'm very much sure they're going to do well. It's a bigger competition for them, but I know they're going to perform well as the junior players.